Hello everyone, welcome you all in Padhai Ke Fun. Today we are going to study about the processor to multiply decimals. First of all, we will see about how to multiply a decimal number with 10, 100, 1000 and so on, that is the power of 10. So for that I am going to take a simple decimal number over here, that is 1.427. If I want to write this decimal number as a fraction, then how to write? Then I have to write it first all the digits without decimal, and then in the denominator 1, and then I need to see that in the decimal number how many digits were there after decimal. 1, 2, 3. Here we have 3 digits after decimal, so here I need to place 3 zeros after 1 in the denominator. So here I have converted this decimal into fraction. Now if I multiply it with 10, that means if I want to multiply 1.427 by 10, that means this is the fraction form of this decimal, and then to this we are going to multiply with 10. Then here this 10 will be cancelled with 1 0 here, and we have 1427 upon 100. So that I am going to convert this fraction again into the decimal form. So again I will write all the digits here without any decimal. So here in the denominator we have 2 zeros now. 1, 2. So there in the final answer, from the back side I will count 2 places. 1, 2, and after second place I will place decimal, that is here. So when I multiply this 1.427 with 10, then I get 14.27. Now let us multiply the same number with 100. So here I will write the fraction form of this decimal. And then we have to multiply it with 100 as per the question. Now this time we have 2 zeros at the numerator side, so that will be cancelled with 2 zeros of the denominator. So now with this number we have now 10 in the denominator. So that again I will write the numerator as it is without any decimal. And now I will see that how many zeros I have in the denominator. With 1 I have only 1 zero, that is 10. So 10 in the denominator means I have to see only one digit at last, and before this I need to place the decimal, that is 0. So you observe the pattern carefully. First our number was 1.427. When we multiplied it with 10, then our decimal place shifted one place next towards right, that is after 4, like here. When the same number is multiplied with 100, then see this answer and compare them both. In our initial number, the decimal is here after 1, which has been shifted 2 places next towards right, that is here. That is because it is multiplied by 100. So you have to only shift the decimal when you multiply the decimals with 10, 100 or any power of 10. As here multiplied by 10, 10 has 1 0, so you have to shift one place toward right in case of multiplication by 10. In case of multiplication by 100, as 100 has 2 0, so that in case of 100 as it was here, so 1, 2, 2 places towards right. In case of multiplication, decimal shifts towards right place. Now this is the simple thing to multiply the decimal with 10, 100 and 1000 and so on. So you don't need to do all this calculation for that. Just shift the decimal and get your answer. Now let us discuss about the multiplication of 2 decimals. if we have to multiply two decimals, then what to do? For this, we will take two decimals with us. I am taking here 1.23 into 0.2. Okay, we have taken both the decimals. Now, how to multiply them? To multiply them, the simplest method is consider as no decimals were there and multiply them as simple whole numbers. So, if I write these numbers without decimals, so I get 123 into 2. 02, that is 2 only. So, when 123 is multiplied by 2, then we get 246. This we have multiplied the numbers simply without decimals. Now the last thing is to place the decimal at the correct place now. For this what to do? For this we will see the numbers given in the question and we will count that overall how many digits are there after decimals including both the numbers. So first we see for our first one decimal number. After decimal we have 1, 2 digits. Now see about the second one decimal number. Here after decimal we have 1 digit. So overall 1, 2, 3. So in this multiplication overall we have 3 digits after decimal. So the product what we got in this will start counting from the last 1 digit. 3 digits we have after decimal. So from back we need to count the 3 digits and then after third digit we need to place the decimal. 1, 2, 3. After this means here. So decimal reached here at the initial stage. So before this we don't have any digit over here. So we can write 0. That means the product of 1.23 and 0.2 is 0.246. So this is the simplest way to multiply the decimals. Hope the process is clear. Don't forget to subscribe our channel Padhai Ki Fun Day and also press the bell icon to get updates. Thank you so much. Stay with us.